fireworks! I went to Yoshiwa the other night to look at the fireworks. It was very unfortunate that a lot of fireworks festival was cancelled this year, but I was very moved by the fireworks in Yoshiwa. I really appreciate it. Hopefully, we will be able to wear yukata and go to local summer festivals and enjoy food stands, goldfish scooping, bouncing ball scooping. Speaking of beautiful fireworks, I feel like enjoying Japanese sparkler fireworks. Let's do it!
Chance. Go, go.